Honda HR-V upgrade gone wild. Dasaita Android 13 stereo review. Wireless CarPlay FTW. Still stuck with a sluggish stock radio that feels more ancient than your grandma's flip phone? Frustrated by endless buffering, awkward cables, and a dashboard that blocks your vibe instead of boosting it? Hours wasted fumbling with maps, music, and calls leave you drained, unmotivated, and questioning why your Honda HR-V still doesn't match your smartphone's brains. Now imagine the pressure of daily drives with glitchy Bluetooth, missed calls, or apps that freeze mid-navigation. Stress builds, time slips away, and every commute feels like a slow-motion productivity killer. Dead batteries from constant phone tethering, weak signals, and missed directions add up, leaving you burned out, annoyed, and convinced your car tech is holding you back from smooth, modern driving. Meet the Dasaita Android 13 car stereo, the 9-inch touchscreen game-changer that transforms your Honda Vezel and HR-V 2013 to 2022 into a smart cockpit. With a snappy Qualcomm 665 octa-core processor, 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage, and the latest Android 13 system, lag and stutter vanish instantly. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep your phone pocketed, while Siri or Google Assistant handles navigation, calls, and messages hands-free. Add a 4G SIM card and enjoy independent traffic updates, Spotify, and hotspot sharing. Your car literally becomes its own Wi-Fi hub. The crisp QLED screen pairs with a TDA7808 amplifier for deep bass and crystal highs, while optical audio output and DSP fine-tuning satisfy audiophiles. Safety? Covered. The built-in off-road inclinometer tracks pitch and roll, keeping mountain drives secure. One user shared how wireless CarPlay saved the day during a rainstorm. No fumbling cables, just instant directions on a massive anti-glare screen. From backup camera clarity to steering wheel control integration, this head unit delivers relief, control, and joy in every drive. The benefits of the Dasaita Android 13 stereo go way beyond specs. It redefines how you interact with your car. Industry analysts praise its OEM-style fit and CAN bus integration, noting how it preserves steering wheel controls and even on-screen climate data. Influencers rave about the convenience of wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, calling it a game-changing quality-of-life upgrade. One tech reviewer quipped, "It feels like the HR-V suddenly skipped 10 model years ahead." Real drivers back it up. "This unit completely modernized my interior. The screen is sharp, the sound is insane, and CarPlay just works," wrote one HR-V owner. Another noted how the 4G LTE slot made road trips smoother, streaming Spotify without draining his phone. Sound geeks cheer for the DTS audio and 10-band EQ, saying it brings concert-level clarity to daily commutes. And the design? Slim, frameless, and factory-like. No ugly gaps. The split-screen multitasking makes maps and music live side by side, while dual-band Wi-Fi ensures blazing fast app downloads. Curious why so many Honda owners call this their best car upgrade ever? Because it's not just a stereo, it's a lifestyle shift, turning chaotic commutes into calm, connected drives. Don't wait. Secure your Dasaita Android 13 head unit today and join thousands of Honda HR-V and Vezel owners who've already leveled up their drives. Stocks move fast, and every day you delay is another drive stuck in the tech stone age. Customers rave, experts nod, influencers gush. This is the upgrade that actually delivers. Limited supply. Act now, claim yours, and enjoy every trip like it's brand new. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to flawless, future-ready infotainment.